Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope well. Welcome to online class, North Point School and College, Pabna. Here I am Asma Binte Amin, Senior Teacher, North Point School and College, Pabna. This lecture is for students of class 7, subject Science, chapter number 7, part 4. At first, we will learn about energy conservation. You already know how energy transforms one state to another. One question here, does any energy waste during this transformation? It is amazingly true that total amount of energy is equal before the transformation or after. This is called conservation of energy. We get energy from the various sources of energy. There are two types of sources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable energy. Renewable energy is a kind of energy that can be used again and again. অর্থাৎ যে শক্তির উৎসকে বারবার ব্যবহার করা যায় তাই হলো নবায়নযোগ্য শক্তি। Sun ray, biogas, water, airflow, ebb and flow tide of water, etc. are mentionable of renewable energy. We will get an idea about biogas, solar energy, ebb and flow tide of water, and the production of renewable energy from the airflow from below. First one is biogas. Biogas used as an environmental friendly fuel. বায়োগ্যাসে যে সকল উপাদান বা বজ্র পদার্থ ব্যবহার করা হয় তার মধ্যে অন্যতম হলো গরু, শূকর এবং মুরগি হতে প্রাপ্ত বজ্র, শস্য পরিত্যক্ত উদ্ভিদ ইত্যাদি। আর টাটকা উদ্ভিজ্জগুলো অন্তত 10 দিন বাইরে পচতে দিতে হবে। Airflow. Electricity is being produced by using windmill, bringing water from well, irrigation of agriculture, breaking barley or wheat, thread out sugarcane, cutting paddy, cutting straw, etc. were used to do by using the rubbing of circle using the flow of air. Ebb and tidal flow of water. Electricity has been produced by using ebb and flowing energy of water in various countries. Look at the picture. But transforming the ebb and flow of water energy into electrical energy is not an old concept. Solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. We know that the sun is the source of all energy. Besides this, solar energy is used in order to make the house warm in the cold countries. Solar energy is also used to dry crop, fish and vegetables. Electricity can be obtained directly when sunlight falls on a solar cell. Vapor can be produced in boiler using solar energy, and this is used for moving the turbine in order to produce electricity. Solar cell is used to supply electricity in satellite. Let's have a work solar energy production by magnifying glass. Procedure. At first, take a magnifying glass. Usually, magnifying glass have convex lens. Focus sun ray on a piece of paper using a lens. You will find fire flame up if you focus the lens correctly. Try it at home. Let's talk about merits of renewable energy. Airflow and the sun are ultimate source of energy because they always exist. Renewable energy is always environment friendly because they do not increase carbon dioxide in the air. To learn more, please go to the next slide. More energy can be produced by using water flow. In this regard, the bridge made for resisting water flow develops road networking. As the moon influences appetite of water and it's happened regularly, we can use energy produced from appetite of water as renewable energy. Limitations of renewable energy. There are some demerits of using renewable energy. These are electricity getting from biogas is limited quantity. Sources of air and water flow for renewable energy are limited because the plant needs suitable place to develop. We may get renewable energy based on solar energy if sun rays are available, but rain may interrupt here. Sometimes water flow of river may change this way of flow because of using ebb and tide to produce renewable energy. Renewable energy produced from sun, air and water flow is expensive. Here is the evaluation for you. What is the source of energy which can use again and again? A. Mechanical, B. Renewable. C. Chemical. D. Solar. Answer it in my comment box. Homework for you. Explain that amount of energy remains unchanged. Dear students, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Stay home and take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.